So today we have to start the revision of microbes in human welfare. Microbes in human welfare. Microbes in human microbes in human welfare. Today what date? 25th. 25th. 1 Now, in this lesson, we have to see some first MCQ, multiple choice questions. So first you see the vitamin whose content increases following the conversion of milk into curd by lactic acid. By lactic acid, bacteria is. Four options are there. First, vitamin C, A, vitamin A, B, vitamin D. Now C, vitamin B12, vitamin B12 and D, vitamin E. Vitamin E. Four options are there. Which will be correct? Once again, listen to the question. The vitamin whose content increases following the conversion of milk into curd by lactic acid bacteria is. Which will be correct? C. Vitamin B12 content increases. Vitamin B12 content increases. And next question we can see. The wastewater treatment generates a large quantity of sludge which can be treated by. The questions once again. Second question. Wastewater treatment generate a large quantity of sludge which can be treated by. Four options are given. First we can run this question. Now second, the wastewater treatment generates a large quantity of sludge which can be treated by. How sludge can be treated by? Four options are given. First, A, anaerobic digester. Anaerobic digester, and B, flock, and C is chemicals, and D is oxidation pond. oxidation, bond. So once again listen, wastewater treatment generates a large quantity of the sludge which can be treated by, how sludge can be treated? How can be sludge can be treated? Yes, that is correct, because you know that the a little amount, this is called activated sludge. So this is a little amount of this sludge is sent for the as the starter, and while major amount of the sludge, activated sludge, sent for the anaerobic sludge digester. So which will correct answer? A. Anaerobic sludge digester. Now third, methanogen bacteria are found in. Third question, methanogen bacteria. Third question, methanogenic bacteria are found in. 4 options are there. First one, rumen of cattle. A. Rumen of cattle, and B. gobar gas plant. And C. bottom of waterlogged paddy fields. Third one is bottom of water logged paddy fields. And fourth, D. activated sludge. Activated sludge. So the question is where it is found, where it is not found. Sorry,
bottom of water.
That is no sir. Methanogenic bacteria are not found. 4 options are given. Yes, correct option. Activated sludge. It is found in rumen of the cattle. It is also found in gobar gas plant. It is also found in the bottom of waterlogged paddy field, but it is not found in the activated sludge. So here activated sludge is the correct answer. Activated sludge, it is found in all the 3, but it is not found in the activated sludge. So this is the correct option 3. Now fourth question we can see. Match the following list of bacteria and their economically important products. So bacteria and products are given. So this is question number 4.
Yes.
Question 4. This is bacteria and product. In bacteria first, Aspergillus niger. Number A, Aspergillus and B is Stobacter style. Acetobacter style, and C is Clostridium botulinum. Clostridium botulinum. Botulinum. This is L,
Yes.
and D is Lactobacillus. These are the four name of bacteria products. Name given is first lactic acid, and second is butyric acid, and third is acetic acid, and fourth is citric acid. So you try to understand the question. So first options are given: A. First one is the A. A option is there. A is related to second and B third and C is fourth and D is first. And beat is given B. A second, B is fourth, and C is third, and D it is A first. Now C, that is A4, B third, C second, and D that has to be first. And in the same way D option, what is given? A4 to 4, B having first, and C related to third, and D related to second. So now you have to find the correct. Which will be correct?
C.
SC means A4. A4 one means citric acid, and B is third. B means Acetobacter acetic acid, and C second Clostridium botulinum, that is butyric acid. This is, and D1. D means lactobacillus, that lactic acid. So that is correct. So here which will be correct option? C is correct option. So understanding you. Now next we have to see next question. I think this is question number 5th.
Yes, sir.
Now 5th. Bottled fruit juices from market are clearer than at home because of. On question listen. Bottled fruit juices from market are clearer than that at home because of. 4 options are there. What we purchasing the bottled fruit juice, that will be clearer in comparison to the juice which we made at our home. What may reasons may be there? First, A, that is antibiotics. B, that is the B is here. B, hormones. And C, enzymes. And D, it is filtration. Which will be correct option?
C. Enzymes.
What you are telling? D, what option? Filtration? No. Enzymes. Because they are digested or treated with the enzymes. So understand, we have studied the byproduct what are produced by the microbes. Enzymes are also. So that is what fruit juice we are purchasing from markets. They are more clearer due to since they are treated by the enzymes, not by the filtration, but they by the, so enzyme will be correct option. Now see next question, we can see. These are the very important. Now next one more. Match the following list of bioactive substances and their roles. Match the following list of bioactive substances and their roles. So we can write here first bioactive substances and the roles. I think this is question number 6. So first bioactive this time we can write here. Bioactives and here substance role. substance rule. So what are the bioactive? One is statin. A. Statin. B. Cyclosporin A. Sorry, cyclosporin. Cyclosporin A, and C is streptokinase. Streptokinase, and D, it is lipase. So these are the bioactives, and roles are also written. So you have to find which is the correct option. First, removal of iron stains. First, removal of iron stain, that is used in the laundry.
Yes, sir.
It is second one is removal of clots from blood vessels. Removal of clots. Removal of clots from blood vessels. And third is lowering of blood cholesterol. Lowering of blood cholesterol. And fourth, immunosuppressive agent. Immunosuppressive agent. These are the bioactives, and these are the substance rule. So you have to find which is the correct. First, A. That is second. B. Third. And C first, and D but having the fourth. The same way B option is there. A4, A having 4, B having second, and C is first, and D related to third. Now next, B A4, fourth, B first, and C second, and D third. The same way, that is D option, A third, A third, B fourth, and C second, and D one remain first. So you have to find which one is which column is A, B, C or D. Which one is correct?
D.
D. D means this is correct.
Yes, sir.
A third. A standing third and lowering of blood cholesterol. So that's first. And B cyclosporine A, that is B. Fourth, immunosuppressive agent. This is used when a person has some transplanted body organs. So for the whole life, he or she has to eat this immunosuppressive agent. And C, streptokinase C, that is the second removal of clot from blood vessels. And D, that is lipase, that is used removal of iron stains. So this is D is correct answer. Now next one is the primary treatment of wastewater involves the removal of. First you see, the primary treatment of wastewater involves the removal of. So this is 7th question. This is question number 7. Now question number 7. The primary treatment of wastewater involves the removal of. 4 options are there. One is dissolve impurities, stable particles, toxic substances, and harmful bacteria. So the primary treatment of wastewater, A, the primary treatment of wastewater involves the removal of dissolved impurities. A, dissolved impurities, and B, stable particles. Stable particles, B, and C is, that is, toxic substances. Toxic substances, and D is harmful bacteria. Harmful bacteria. 4 options are there. In the primary treatment, which substance is removed? In the primary treatment, simply what process involved? Filtration and sedimentation. In the filtration, we cannot filter the dissolved impurities. We cannot filter the toxic substances. We cannot filter the bacteria, but we can remove only the stable particles. So B will be correct option during primary treatment. Now we can see BOD of water. BOD of wastewater is estimated by measuring the amount of. So next question you have to see. This is question number 8. Question number 8. What is the question? BOD of wastewater is estimated by measuring the amount of. 4 options are given. First, total organic matter. A. Total organic matter. B. Biodegradable organic matter. Biodegradable organic matter. And C is oxygen evolution. Oxygen and D oxygen consumption. Oxygen. Which will correct option? BOD of water, BOD of wastewater is estimated by measuring the amount of. 4 options are there. One is the total organic matter.